Right then, hope you're doing well. Welcome to Happy Hungry Hippie. Yes, that's me. What we're going to cover this week is something just a little bit different, and it's a recipe inspired by Ixta Belfrage from the Ottolenghi Flavour Cookbook, who's the co-author with Ottolenghi. But the recipe I want to cover is actually the spiced plantain, and then this is kind of like what it looks like. I'm just going to make a simple salad on the side. Now, I bought a plantain from Tesco. Not an easy ingredient to buy in this country, but it's actually part of the banana family, the plantain. Yes, this might look like a banana, but as a matter of fact, it's not. So if we look at the standard banana, you've got something like this. It's much softer. The plantain is much bigger. Now, the plantain is quite different in that it's much starchier, so it's very, very hard. So what I advise you to do is just let this ripen and go as black as possible. And it's a bit more difficult to cook with than the banana, but yes, it's fascinating. Now, these come from generally areas like Cuba or Brazil. I've got really nice memories of going to Cuba and actually trying this a lot in the restaurants. And it's great for whole food plant-based as well. I want to show you how to do this just with 7 basic ingredients, which is oil-free. So the key ingredients you need for this, obviously your plantain, coconut palm sugar, ginger or fresh ginger, I'm using frozen ginger, ground cinnamon, ground cumin, ground nutmeg and cayenne pepper. So this is really simple. I'm going to use the Ninja air fryer to do this, so completely oil-free, whole food plant-based. It could be an amazing starter. So let's get going. So here we have it. We've just come out of the air fryer. Smells absolutely amazing, really spicy. And as this is a start, I'm just going to put this onto a small plate. And you can use any salad. Watercress would be amazing. And here we have it. A simple spiced plantain starter on just a bed of spinach. Absolutely amazing. So I'm just going to try this. Wow. Quite different to banana. It just brings back fond memories of when I was in Cuba. So really hope you're enjoying the show. Please do subscribe. Lots of love and passion going into this. Also turn on your notifications. Bing! Every fortnight on Tuesdays at 4 p.m. Also, please check out my playlist for other vegan and whole food plant-based inspired recipes. I've done a lot of recipes and I've done well over 50 Ottolenghi. So please check that out. So have a great week, everyone. Enjoy. Right then.